Welcome in our presentation of Al-Mudarris Qur'an Software. In this overview video, we will cover the functionalities of the software, starting with the recitation and repetition options. Basically, we can select from this box, we can select the surah that we want to listen or memorize.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
By clicking the Arabic text, we can listen for the recitation.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
That's for the recitation of the single verse. But what if we want to recite the one surah or some range of verses? Basically, we can show you how to do that. Let's say we want to listen the Surah Al-Alaq from first verse to the fifth one. We can select, we can add those values here in those boxes and just click play.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
Now we will show you the using the repetition options. Basically, in this repetition box we have three options. First one is repetition of the verse, second repetition of the group, and what to do after the recitation of the group of the range. Range is defined by these values here, and repetition of the verse is each verse in the group, and repetition of the group is how many times you're going to repeat this range. So let's do one simple demo from 1 to 3 with these repetition options to see how that looks like.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم اقرأ وربك الأكرم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
That was using the repetition options. But now you can ask a question. Well, this is all nice, but how can I use this for memorization? Well, we added an option that is unique for the product on the market of the software for the Quran, which is the option for wait between the verses. By clicking this option, you can give yourself time. The software will give you time basically to pronounce each verse. If you are a beginner, you can adjust the number of seconds that you're gonna add to each verse, to the length of the break. Let's do how this looks like by setting the default break, which is the length of the verse. Let's go by repeating each verse once. So let's do the same range from first to third verse.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
خلق الإنسان من علق
خلق الإنسان من علق
اقرأ وربك الأكرم
اقرأ وربك الأكرم
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق
خلق الإنسان من علق
خلق الإنسان من علق.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم. So these are options for the repetition and memorization options. Now you can proceed to the next video that will show you more options, more things that you can do with Al-Mudarris Qur'an software.